If you're looking for an AI tool that can generate up to 60 minutes long video, yes, you heard that right. I mean, 1 hour long video that also has support for over 50 visual styles and 10,000 plus character assets with strong character consistency for stylized storytelling, can also automatically discover trending topics and publish videos for you, then MagicLight AI is your go-to platform for all I have mentioned plus more. But before I show you how this platform works, I need to quickly show you something. This YouTube channel, Worldly Tales, is currently making approximately $14,000 every single month, according to vidIQ. And as you can see, the videos are doing amazingly well. This channel is even making money from their past videos, and that's the beauty of YouTube. This is another channel, Living Life Tales, and this channel also makes $2,400 every single month. And guess what? This channel posted their very first video 6 months ago, as you can see right here, and they are doing fantastically well. This is another channel, and this channel is making $3,300 every single month. And what do they have in common? They create stories from images, either animated or static images with voiceover. Finally, Motivational Tales makes $716 approximately every single month, according to vidIQ, and they posted their very first video 6 months ago as well. All these channels I showed you have one thing in common. They create animated motivational stories on YouTube and generate thousands of views and steady revenue every single month. And the best part is the video creation process is not complicated at all. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this type of animated videos with just one single prompt without having to shuffle between 5 different platforms. Everything is going to be done inside one tool, MagicLight AI. Grab the link to this platform in the video description and follow along as I put you through. And this is what the user interface looks like. Very simple and yet filled with amazing templates that helps you whenever you have creative blocks. You get so many ideas here. You'll be glad you're on this platform. It also contains football templates. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to use all these football templates for you to create amazing content to go viral and make lots of money in this World Cup season. All that being said, there are 2 ways by which you can start your video. You can click on any of the templates you like here and then click on use templates, or you come to the left hand side and click on this create button right here, and you see so many amazing options for you to choose from. So I'm just going to click on this story to video, and then we have this templates. There are several ways to get story ideas here. You can come here, click on get ideas, and this is the hottest and latest feature where you can get different content ideas for football related content. You can also come to the feature section right here, and you would see different story ideas for other types of story. You can scroll down and you see more of it, but I don't want any of this. I'm just going to click on enter my script and it will take me back here. If you want to start from scratch, you can either give it an idea to work with, or you give it your full story script to work with. And this is the idea I want. I want it to generate a short motivational story about procrastination. Come to the bottom of your screen here, click on this particular feature, and you'll be able to select any visual style of your choice. You can scroll down and you see more visual styles that you can use in your story. As for me, I want to use this particular one here, so I'm just going to click on use and it will be added automatically. If you click on Gemini Flash here, these are the available LLM models that can help you with your story. I'm just going to leave it at Gemini Flash. I want my story in English. I want it in 16:9, and I'm just going to leave it at that. If you click on settings here, this shows you several other voices that you can choose for your story. I want this particular one, so I'm just going to click on confirm. As for the duration, you can leave it on auto. It will automatically detect the duration that is suitable for your story, and you can also select any of this. But I want custom. Under this custom, you can select as long as 1 hour long story, which is 60 minutes. I want 1 minute just to save our time. And as you can see, this 1 minute is going to take us about 12 different shots, which is 12 different scenes. I'm going to click on confirm, and I click on next right here. And now it brings us here. There are 4 different stages to our story. The first one is the content, the next one is the cast, the third one is the storyboard, and the fourth one is the edit section. So this is what our content is going to look like, and it's exactly 12 shots. Now click on next at the bottom right corner of your screen, and this is what our character looks like. You can change him if you want. Click on the edit button on top of the image, and you can click on this create button. You can paste the prompt of how you want your character to be and then click on generate, and it will generate it for you. You can also click on this plus sign right here to attach a character of your choice that you already have on your device. You can also select from any of this character in the character library if you like. I'm fine with what it generated for me, so I'm just going to cancel this, and I'm just going to click on next. And here, this is the storyboard session, and as you can see, it has generated all the images that are required for our story. To animate any of these images, you can just click on animate right here, and then you have 2 options. You can animate it one after the other, or you click on animate all, and then it will automatically select all of the images here, and then you click on confirm, and with that it will animate all our videos for us. Now our videos are animated. You can play it one after the other to make sure that it aligns with your story. If there's any of the animation that is not properly done, you can come to the right hand side here in the prompt section, edit the prompt, and click on regenerate. Okay, but I'm fine with everything I have here, so I'm just going to click on next at the top right corner. Here you can add a subtitle to your story, and if you don't want, click on no subtitle. But I'm just going to click on this. At the top here, click on background music. It will automatically apply a background sound for you, but if you don't like it, you can play any other one here and select the one you like. But if you don't like any of it, you can just click on none right here, and there will be no background sound in your video. Now click on the generate button at the top right corner, select your desired aspect ratio, select 1080p resolution, and click on OK. And as you can see at the right hand side here, you can as well link your YouTube account to this, and it will automatically post it for you to your channel. Now you can play the video.
Mark stared at the blank screen.
Once you're good with what you have, click on download at the top right corner here, and it will download the video onto your device. And guys, this is what we have.
Mark stared at the blank screen for 3 agonizing hours. The cursor blinked with a rhythmic, mocking pulse against the white void of the page. Every flash felt like a heartbeat of wasted time. He looked for an escape, any escape, from the silence of his own mind. He scrolled through social media until the glow burned his eyes, then tossed the phone across the bed. Desperation set in. He stood up, pacing the small room like a caged animal, eventually reorganizing his bookshelf by color. The shelf looked perfect, but the document remained hauntingly empty. The deadline was at sunrise. With shaking hands, he poured a final cup of coffee and forced his fingers onto the keys. He ignored the urge to check the clock. He typed a paragraph, then a page. Each word felt like lifting a heavy weight, a brutal struggle against exhaustion. The room slowly turned a pale, ghostly gray as the morning light crept in. He refused to look away until the very last sentence was carved into the screen.
He hit the send button just as the sun cleared the horizon. A deep, heavy exhale escaped his lungs as he leaned back.
The screen dimmed, the battle was over, and the work was finally done.
Let's go back to the home page. Click on home at the top left corner, and let's try some of the templates that are available here. I'm just going to cancel this. Let's try this template. I'll click on it and click on use template. To use this template now, I just have to click on run script right here. Here is the prompt that comes with the template. You can either leave it like this or change it to something you prefer. So I'm just going to change this. Now I've changed the prompt to what I want it to say about Cristiano Ronaldo bringing home the World Cup to his home country, and I'm just going to leave all the settings exactly as they are, and I've customized the time to be 15 seconds. I don't want it to be too long. Then I click on next right here. Now it has created the content. I'm going to click on next. Now our characters are ready. I'm just going to click on next. And this follows the same process like before. So I'm just going to fast forward that. And here is our final result.
Cristiano, that was a difficult moment on the pitch just now. How are you feeling about the missed opportunity?
It is part of football, but I am calm. I promise my people we will bring the World Cup home.
Congratulations, you are a few of the people who made it till the very end. If you're serious about creating videos like this consistently, I would highly recommend you upgrade to the pro version of MagicLight AI because this unlocks more powerful features and high quality output. If you got value from this video, please give it a like, leave a positive comment, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome and amazing tutorials like this. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.